Hello everyone, good evening to all. Welcome to the day 3 of Advanced Python Masterclass. This is Sankar Ganesh from Pantech e-learning. Welcome to all and once again good evening to all. So in this previous session we are all discussing like day 2 about this session. We are all discussing about the data structures, right? That is the Python data structures. In that session, like we are discussing about the syntax and variable and also data structures, right? So I hope you all understand the topic. So if you have any doubts of that like a previous session, if you kindly ask within end of this session, okay? So I will reply to you, okay? So today we are discussing about Python's important concept, that is conditional statement and looping statement. These both of topics are important for Python's basic. Okay, so that is the two kind of topics we are discussing about in this session. So without delay, we are entering another topic. Okay. So first, today's session we are discussing about these two kind of topics: conditional statement and also looping statement. Okay. Yeah. Good evening and good evening to all once again. Okay, so first we are know about this agenda of our conditional statement. First we are discussing about conditional statement. In that conditional statement having a four kind of topics, right? Most of the people so what is conditional and what is looping, right? Again I will recall to you, that is easy to understand. Okay, so first we are discussing about if, elif, if else and nested if. These three four kind of topics are important for agenda for conditional statement. Okay, so first of all, anyone kindly tell me what is conditional statement, if you have any ideas. What is conditional statement? Anyone? No one don't know about that. Yeah, when we give two or more conditions, right? Execute if the condition is true. Okay, fine. We have to choose one. Okay, give some conditions, true, false condition. Yeah. So most of the people said the exact similar to and similar answers. If and else statement, decision. Yeah, exactly. So Hasha, you are right. Decision making, that is called as decision making. Condition statement is called as a decision making. And thank you for all and thank you for your response and very good to all. So this condition statement is using for making a decision, right? If any kind of thing in our life, based on our life, if we are move on to we are going to outing or we are getting one kind of new things, we are taking a decision, right? If the thing is okay or not. So that is we are making a decision. That is called a conditional statement. In our based on our life, in any kind of actions or things, we will make a decision. Like you are buying a new mobile phone or going to a outing or so in any kind of things we will making a decision. So that is suitable for me or not. Yes or no. That is called as yes or no or true or false. This is the decision making, right? That is the thing. Say this is also similar to conditional statement also. So there are multiple functions are there. One is an if. Okay, the audio is not clear, right? Okay, fine. So now the audio is clear. Voice is clear or not? Okay, wait a second. Now it's clear. Okay, thank you. Now it's clear now. Yeah, okay, thank you all. Thank you for your response. Okay, wait. Hello. Wait a second. Now it's clear or not? Okay, thank you all. Any one answer kindly tell me. So most of the people not audible, so some people are still audible. How do I get it? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, fine, okay. So now I continue. So I already told what is conditional statement. It is making to decision. It is a take a decision of that is conditional statement, right? So next we are discussing about if statement. So do you see the diagram? So first of all, we will create a condition, okay, if condition. So before that, you will see the example. So I will create a two kind of arguments, right? One is an A, another one is an B. Both argument having one kind of what is that values. A is equal to 50, B is equal to 130. Same like that. Now I create a condition, if condition. So in that if condition, checking that this place is a decision making. Once the condition is true, automatically the if statement will be executed. The condition is false, automatically move on to that, the output will not come. Okay. So now you see that like B is greater than A. So now our value is A value is 50 and B value is 130, right? So automatically this condition is true or false. So the condition is true, right? Because B value is in high, A value is low, right? A is in 50 and B is a 130, right? Okay, thank you. So when the condition is true, automatically this statement will be executed. Same like that is in this diagram also. We will create the condition. This condition is showing like that. So if the condition is true, automatically the body of if in this statement is a body of if. So this body of if will be executed. Once the condition is false, move on to the outer. Like no reply will become. Like no output will become. So that is the example for if statement, right? So first I will explain all, then I will show the example. Okay. So next one, if and else statement. So I already told, once the condition is true, automatically if statement will be executed. Once the if statement, like if condition is false, the condition is move on to the else statement. Okay. First I will checking condition will be checking in this place the B like greater than A. The condition is true, automatically this statement will be comes to output. Once the condition is false, the condition is move on to the else statement. Okay, so the else is the last statement. So then only else is in coming to the last one. Okay, so this place based on this place, there are one checking condition will be there, right? Voice is breaking. Okay, fine. Hello. Now it's clear. Now is my voice is clear. Hello. Hello. Okay. Thank you. Sorry, some technical issue. Then only the voices break, right? Okay. Enough. I will continue. Okay. So once the if condition is true, automatically if statement will be executed. The if condition is false, automatically the condition move on to the else statement. Okay, that is a simple thing. It is not difficult for us. So let's just a simple thing. So next we are move on to the elif statement. The elif statement is adding the new condition of that in between that if and else. Already we know if condition is true, automatically the if statement will be executed. Once the if condition is false, then move on to the else statement. Okay. In between that, we are creating the another condition. We will using the elif function. The elif is we are using multiple times. If we are using multiple condition, we will create. Then we are using the elif condition. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Fine. So now I explained that if what is if and what is else and what is elif. Now we are see the example, then only you can understand. Okay. Fine. So first of all, I will set the example for that. Once I creating an if only, right? Once I create a if keyword and using the false. Okay. First of all, using true. Okay. So true. So now what is my output? If I run this code, so what is my exact output? Anyone know? Once I run this code, what is my exact output? Okay, yeah, zoom it. Now it's clear. Hello? No one can know this thing. Okay, super, very good. So this is if statement. So that is my output, right? So because the if condition is true, I mentioned the true wordings. Like I mentioned the true wordings. Automatically the condition is true. Then the if statement will be executed. This is the if statement. That is called as also body of if or if statement. Anything else we will tell, right? Yeah, super. Very good to all, and thank you for your response. Right, automatically this is if statement will be executed. So now by using this false, right? Using the false word, so automatically the condition is false. So now what is that? Now I run this, like no output will become. Yeah, because there are no no condition will be there, right? If we have only one condition, that is if. We have no another condition, so then only the condition is not move on that other things. Yeah, exactly. Because of if the condition is false, automatically the output is not come. Once the condition is true, the if statement will be executed. That is the similar difference between that. Okay. So now by using this one, this also same like that. So in this place, I am using the wordings like true or false. I mentioned that. Now I am using this comparison, right? Once the a and create your arguments like a is 10 and b is 25. Same like that. If condition a is less than b. So a is less than b. So what is this in this output? In this one, so what is the exact output? This one, anyone? So a is less than b. This statement will be executed or not? Condition is true, right? How do you tell? Yeah, right. Sorry, like that. So a is less than b. So automatically a value is 10 and b value is 25, right? So then the condition is true. So now the condition is true will be executed, right? So you are right. I will just smart confusion. Okay. So now I'm changing the direction of this symbol. So now using a greater than b. So now it's a false, right? So a is greater than b, the condition is false, so automatically this condition is not executed, right? Do you understand in between that? Okay, so now we are move on to the next one, if and the else statement. Okay, so next we are move on to the else statement. So same like that, once the if condition is true, automatically the if statement will be executed. Same like that, the else condition is true, like the if once the if condition is false, automatically else condition is true. Okay. So now I am using same variable, like already I create this a value and b value. So then same like that I am using this place. So okay. Now a is greater than b. In this place, which one is executed? So kindly answer this one. Once I create a if condition, so a is greater than b. I am using the same value. Okay. So in this place, which one is executed? So this one thing you will answer, then I will move on to the next one. Else condition is true. Okay. So because I said if condition is false, because I am using the greater than symbol, so automatically else condition is true. So this is the differentiate of if and else. Okay. Yeah, super. Thank you for your responses to all. So next one is the elif condition. So what is elif condition exactly? In this place, I run this one. So like I will create another value. A is 25 and B is 28. Same like that. If condition is A greater than B. So in this place, the condition is false. Okay. So automatically the else statement will be executed. I run this one. So A is greater than B. The condition is false. Automatically else statement will be executed. Now by using less than symbol. So now I run this. If condition is true. So anyone tell me, if I want this elif condition is true, so what will I do? If I want elif condition is true in this statement, I want to print it. Okay. So what will I do? Do you understand my question? I want elif condition is true. Okay, change B is equal to 25. Yeah, okay. Super. Very good to all. So because elif condition is both condition will be equal. So both value will be equal. Then only the elif condition is executed. Like elif condition is true. Okay. So that is the thing. Now both A and B value both are equal. So automatically I run this one. So elif condition is true. So this is the difference of if, elif and else. You all understand this? Okay, thank you. Most of the people replied to me, so thank you for all. So next we are move on to the. So before that, I will explain reminding one thing. If you can convert this masterclass into 1 month internship, what is the benefits of this internship? 30 days recording sessions, 30 days presentations, and the exclusive project codes, VIP community groups, internship confirmation letter, 90 days of LMS course access, assignment plus task. Weekly live sessions are available, and resume building, mock test, and internship and participant certificate will be provided to you. And in this registration fees, just 1,999, but we are offering the discount fees, that is the 899. In this registration link, we will give into the chat box and also description. If you want to be interested, kindly join our internship. And most of the people asking to me, kindly share your notebook and videos. If you join our internship, you will get all things. Okay. So in this offer closed tomorrow. So I repeat again, in this internship offer closes at tomorrow. So don't miss this one. Okay. So next one, you can also join in our 3-in-1 bundle course. The bundle course having a courses of Advanced Python, Artificial Intelligence, and AWS in Python. So what is the benefits of in this bundle course? 90 days of recording sessions, 90 days of presentations, exclusive project codes, VIP community groups, internship confirmation letter, 1 year validity, assignment plus task, 4-week live sessions, and 3 internship plus participation certificate will be provided to you. And this is a registration fees at 2,999. We are discounted fees is 1,299. In this registration link also we will give into the chat box and also description. In this offer also closes at tomorrow. So don't miss this offer. Okay. So thank you. Next we are move on to the next topic. That is the input function. Next one we are discussing about input function. In this input function we are using for while the runtime we are using the input function user to giving the input, right? So once the input is using for while we are running run the code. The running time the user will be giving the input. Based on the input the output will become. That is the input function. So next one is an example of input function. So this is the example for input function, right? So a number is equal to I will create one kind of variable and using for input for this one. So input is enter the number. So this is the this place is in giving the getting the input from the user, right? So this in this method the user will be give the input for us. Based on the input we will checking the output, right? So if the condition is user giving a 10, right? In this 10 value storing at this place, automatically the 10 will checking this in this place. So once the condition is true, this positive number will be executed. Once the condition is false, the negative number will be executed. Okay. So this is the example for input function. Next one is a nested if. So nested if is one of the last topic of conditional statement. Okay. So already we know, like we are discussing about if, elif and else, right? Based on that, the nested if also same like that. So the nested if is a creating one kind of value, right? So first of all, we are creating kind of value like x is equal to 25 is one kind of unique value, right? So if next we are as usual we are creating if, elif and else. So in this nested if exactly means that we are creating one if condition and also creating the inner if, that is called as a nested if. Do you see this example? So if is a one kind of condition. Based on this condition is true, automatically move on to the next condition. That is the if x20. Like this is the outer if, this is the inner if. This if is called as nested if. Okay. So others will be same. Okay. So once the if condition is in this condition is true, then only is move on to the next inner if. Once this condition is false, automatically is move on to the out. Like what is that? No one can execute it. No output will be executed. Right. So same like that. Then this condition is executed. Like once the inner if will be true, this statement will be executed. Same like that. If the condition is false, automatically else will be executed. Okay. So this is the example for nested if also. So next one is the pass statement. This pass statement is using for a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 100. Same like that. Once we are using the pass function, automatically the condition, the program will be passed. No output will become. Okay. Same also if we are creating one if condition, right? In this if condition, checking function not there. Now we are using pass statement. The condition will be passed. No output will become. Right. This is the example for pass statement. Okay. So next one we are move on to the looping statement. Okay, so what is looping? Anyone know the looping? So what is looping exactly? Nested if, right? So once we are creating if condition, and same also we are creating another if to the based on this inner if, that is the if condition, right? Nested if, right? Do you see that? Once we are creating the if condition, then we are creating the another if condition into this if, inner if, that is called as a nested if, right? Repeating until the condition is true. Yeah, right. Exactly. So once the looping is in, what is the which kind of actions repeatedly do, that is called as looping. Okay. Repeatedly do the one kind of function, that is called as a loop. Exactly. Thank you. Repeating same operation repeatedly. Yeah, exactly. So I already told like which action or repeatedly do that, that is called as a looping function. If you say to one kind of example is one driver or there in that bus driver is move on to the one destination to another destination. So what will the driver do, right? So once we will start the engine, so the driver will be do the same things, like same actions, right? Once apply the accelerator and changing the gear and apply the brake. So these three kind of actions repeatedly do. Then only just move on to the our what is that target or reaching the our target destination. So that is the thing. The driver will be repeatedly same thing. That is called as a looping. Okay. So in this looping statement, having a two kind of types. One is a for loop, another one is a while loop. That is called as a looping statement. Okay. So next one, first the example for loop. Okay. So for loop in Python are used to iterate over a sequence. So in this sequence there are two kind of variable. One is an iteration variable, another one is a sequence variable, right? In that sequence and iteration essence, sequence means we having a one kind of target, like already told, right? Target variable, right? So iteration variable is to execute the values into one by one. That is the iteration variable. So in this sequence variable having a multiple types, that is list, tuple and string, any kind of data type you will be using that sequence variable. Okay. Same like that, even strings or iterable object, they contain a sequence of character. So the iteration variable to execute the what is that items to one by one. That is the iteration variable. That is the work of the iteration variable. So once the loop will be start sequence, the sequence variable then sorry, when the sequence variable fulfilled, then only the loop will be stopped. Before that, the loop will be continue repeatedly. So once they start one, execute one thing, and again do that starting the base. Same like that repeatedly do. When the condition is fulfilled, automatically the loop will be stopped. Okay, this is the example for loop also. So next one, example for loop. Okay, so I will using the animals and the elephant. So the elephant isn't string. Already told for loop is using for sequence variable is list, tuple and string. These three kind of variable we will be used. Okay, that is the thing. The elephant isn't string. Animals is a list. So these two kind of data types we will be using in this sequence variable. In this place, for is a keyword, x is an iteration variable, and in sequence is elephant is a sequence variable. Okay. Once I run this like this x, then I will call the x, because x the iteration variable is executed the characters or element one by one. Then only I call the x, because x is a iteration variable. Okay. So once I run this, in this x going to execute the each and every character executed like the one by one. So that is the looping function. This is also same like that animals also. Okay. So in first the x going to taking the lion and executed, and tiger is also first executed, bear is executed, and elephant is executed. When the elephant will become, automatically the loop will be stopped. So this is the example for loop. Okay. So next one, range. So range isn't for x in range isn't 12. So yeah, so same like that is also same like in this one, right? In this place we are using the wordings like characters and wordings, all that. Okay, excuse me. Okay, fine. So range is also same like that. So for x in range isn't 12. So now I mentioned the numbers. Okay, the 12 isn't ending, or is that ending value? Okay, finishing value. So once I run this, the x variables move on to the executed numbers, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, like starting with the 0 to ending with the 12. So that is the example for a range. The range isn't in between. Already we are all discussing about this one, right? Like starting with the starting to ending, slicing method we are already discussing in the string, right? Same also. Yeah, range is also same thing. Once the x will be executed, call that the x going to execute the numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all things, the numbers will be executed one by one. Okay. When the 12 is come, automatically the loop will be stopped. Okay, this is the range. This is the starting to end range. In this range, starting value and ending value we will mention. That is the range of this one. So starting to 6 and ending with the 12. Same like that range of in this one we are adding the increment value. So that is the example for this one. Okay. So next one we are moving to the break statement. So what is the break statement exactly? So break statement is we are using one kind of calling the one kind of element. Yeah, we are calling one kind of element, that is when the condition is near to this item, automatically the loop will be stopped. So already we have discussed, we know. So what is loop for loop exactly? Once the condition will be fulfilled, that or the condition will be finished, then only the output the loop will be stopped, right? Yeah, exactly. Stop the program. The break is using for stopping the program in between that. Okay. So we are using for x is executed one by one. So for example, we are creating one if condition, right? In this if condition, we are using in this beer. So automatically the beer item will be comes to that. Automatically the break will be applied. The loop is stopped. That is the example for break statement. So next one, continuous statement. This continuous statement also same like a break statement, right? In that, what is the different about different between? Okay, can I get this session recording? Yeah. Okay, fine. I will remaining one thing. If you have getting this recordings and I'm using notebooks, my videos. If you want, kindly join our internship. You are all getting in this this kind of things. You are have my videos and my using notebooks also you will get. Kindly join our internship. Okay. Yeah, iteration skip exactly. Continuous statement is skipping the kind of item. Same like that, if the beer will become, automatically the condition will be true. This beer item will be ignored. That is the continuous statement. Okay. So again I will. Okay, what about September day before yesterday? He would quit the topics. Yeah, if you want about skip the topics, if you want to know about that, kindly join our internship. If you get, I will teaching the set and dictionary in my internship, right? So kindly join our internship. You will get it all. So again, I reminding it to you. If you can convert this masterclass into 1 month internship, what is the benefits of in this internship? 30 days recording sessions, 30 days presentations, and exclusive project codes, VIP community groups, internship confirmation letter, 90 days of LMS course access, and assignment plus task, weekly live sessions, and resume building and mock test, internship and participant certificates will be provided to you. And in this registration fees 1,999, so discount fees is 899. Registration link will be provided to posted on chat box and description. If you are interested, kindly join our internship. It's a limited time offer. Tomorrow the offer will be closed, so don't miss this offer. And you can also join our 3-in-1 bundle course also. Then we have bundle course having advanced Python, artificial intelligence, and AWS in Python also we will get provided to you. In these benefits of bundled courses, 90 days recording session, 90 days presentation, exclusive project codes, VIP community groups, internship confirmation letter, and 1 year validity, assignment plus task, 4 weekly live session, 3 internship plus participation certificate we will be provided to you. And registration fees is 2,999. We are offering the discount fees 1,299. The registration link also posted on chat box plus description. If you are interested, kindly join with our this bundle course. This offer also closes us tomorrow, so don't miss this offer. Okay. So next one, we are move on to the while loop. So what is while loop? Already we know. So like for loop is once the sequence variable fulfilled, automatically the loop is stopped. So what is while loop? So while loop is once the condition is true, automatically the loop is stopped. Okay. With the while loop, we can execute a set of statement as long as the condition is true. So that is the thing. Once the condition is true, automatically while loop will be stopped. Okay. Yeah, exactly. 15 and Morphology. Exactly, you said. Once the while loop, the condition is true, automatically the loop is stopped. Before that, the condition is false, automatically the loop will be runs repeatedly. Okay, that is the difference between for loop and while loop. So this is the example for while loop. X is equal to 1. We are starting within one kind of range, right? Starting within 1. So using the while keyword and x is less than 10. So the x will be executed 1 by 1. Okay. When the like both condition will be equal, that when the 10 is come, automatically the loop is stopped. Okay. So then first checking in this place, so it's less than 10, like 1 is less than 10, so automatically is call the x, so x will be executed in this place. So how to increase this one, right? How the condition, like the values will be increased. We are using this place, right? X is already we know, so x value is on 1. So the 1 value is executed, 1 plus equal to 1 means 1 value will be added, that is the increment value, right? So automatically 1 plus equal to 1 is 1 value will be added into the current value, right? So automatically 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So then 2 value will be executed. So repeatedly do that, the looping function, right? So 2 plus 1 3 and 3 plus 1 4. Repeatedly the values will be increased to that. When the 10 is come, automatically the loop is stopped. Okay, because the condition is true, right? Then only the condition is condition is true. The while loop is stopped. Okay. So this is the example for while loop. And break statement is also same like that for loop. So this is also same like that, same like starting with an 1, and we are using this 5 essence. Like the 5 will become automatically the condition break condition will be applied, the loop is stopped. Okay, so next one, continuous statement. Continuous statements also do with that x is equal to 0 and while x is less than, same like that. In this place the starting value is in 0, right? So automatically the starting with 0, the 3 will become, the 3 value will be ignored, other value will be executed repeatedly. So that is the continuous statement also. So next one is an else statement. So what is else statement? So else statement is x is equal to 1 while x is less than 2 and print x isn't. Okay, wait a second. Yeah, so x is equal to starting within 1. So same like that. It is a common looping function. Okay, it's a common looping function. So last value is a 12, right? So the 12 will become automatic loop is stopped. In the last value is 11, it will be executed. The 12 is not executed because based on the Python, the last value is a n minus 1. The 12 value is not executed. Then only the else statement will be executed, right? So starting within 1, so the ending value is 11. So once the 11, then condition is move on to the else. So x is no longer than 12. This statement will be executed in last value. Okay. So that is the example for else statement. To result. So what is to result? So you missed the set and dictionary explanation in day 2. Said we'll explain it in the next session. Yeah, of course I said. If you want to know, you get know about that set and dictionary, kindly join with our internship. I will set the answer for that set and dictionary in the explain all details in my internship video. So kindly join with our internship. You can learn about that. Okay. So this is the else statement. Okay. So before that, I will show one thing. So I already told, right? This is the example for else statement. Once I run this, x is equal starting with 1 and ending with 12, right? So 1 to 11 will be executed. So for last, I will mention the else condition. Else is the last condition, right? Then only the print, the loop is end is executed for last value. Automatically the 11, then move on to the condition is else. So loop is end. Okay. Okay, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 5 till 10, 11. Okay, super. This is the example for that. And this is the one kind of simple task for you. Okay. I will create one kind of cars action function. Okay. So once the car started and stop and move fast and slow, it is the basic condition for that. If you want getting an explanation and you are getting this answer for this condition like task, kindly join with our internship. I set the answer of this task in our internship video. If you want to know about this answer, kindly join with our internship. Okay. So that's it. So this is the overall topic of else statement, condition and looping statement. And one thing, and again I will inform, remind to you. Sorry. If you have converted this masterclass into 1 month internship, what is the benefits of this internship? 30 days recording session and 30 days presentations, exclusive project codes, VIP community groups, internship confirmation letter, 90 days of LMS access, assignment plus task, and weekly live sessions and resume building and mock test. Internship plus participation certificates will be provided to you. Registration fees 1,999, but your discount fees is 899. In this registration link, we will post it on chat box plus description. It's a limited time offer. Tomorrow the offer will be ends, so kindly use this offer. Okay. So most of the people asking to me, kindly send your notebook, share your notebook. If you want that missing topics and getting my notebook, kindly join our internship. Okay. So and again we will offer to you 3-in-1 bundle course. In this bundle course having advanced Python, artificial intelligence, AWS in Python. There are 3 kind of courses we will be provided in one bundle. And what is the benefits of in this bundle course? 90 days recording access, 90 days of live presentations, exclusive project codes, VIP community groups, internship confirmation letter, 1 year validity, assignment plus task, 4 weekly live sessions and 3 internship certificates and participation certificates we will be provided to you. In this bundle course fees 2,999. Our discount fees is at 1,299. In this registration link also we will post it on chat box plus description. If you are interested, kindly join our bundle course. Also use our bundle course. This is also limited time offer. This offers will be ends on tomorrow, so kindly use this. Okay. So that's it. the session will be end. So if you have any queries any doubts of in this session or topic or internship related, kindly contact these numbers. I will give you the contact number and WhatsApp number and call mobile number also. If you have any doubts, kindly contact this number. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you all. We will next meet with the next session and see you. Okay, thank you all.